If you want to share your Amazon benefits like Prime, purchases, and content with family members, setting up an Amazon household is the best way to do it. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so even if you're a complete beginner, you can easily set it up without any confusion. First, open the Amazon website or app and sign into your account using your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Your Account section by tapping on your profile icon or menu. Now scroll down until you find the option called Amazon Household. Tap on it to begin the setup process. Amazon Household allows you to add another adult, teens, or children to your account. To add an adult, select the Add Adult option and enter their name and email address. The other person will receive an invitation, which they need to accept by signing into their own Amazon account. Keep in mind that adding another adult means you both agree to share payment methods, so only add someone you trust. If you want to add a teen, choose the Add Teen option. Teens can shop on Amazon, but you will have control over approvals and spending limits. For children, select the Add Child option, where you can create a profile and manage content like books, apps, and videos suitable for their age. After adding members, you can manage your household settings anytime from the same section. You can remove members, adjust permissions, or control shared content whenever needed. In short, Amazon Household helps you share benefits and manage family access in a simple and secure way, making it easier to handle multiple users under one account. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy and beginner-friendly tutorials like this.